Hi guys, so I told you guys that I had some new fans coming. You guys were asking me where did I get my fans from, and so my order came in and here I am preparing to test the new fans that came in. As you can see it here. This fan is nylon, whereas the other fan, the initial fans that I used were polyester. And I do like the feel of the polyester fans a lot better. These ones, they were okay. They don't feel like real plasticky or whatnot. Right here, I'm pressing it at 330, as you can see, for the temperature for 120 seconds. That was not long enough. Right there, you see me marking off. Now here, right there where you guys see that crease at from the heat press, it actually transferred into the fan like that, and you'll see that at the end of the video. And I wasn't pressing it hanging from the edge like that. I was doing it the long way before, and I think I'm gonna go back to doing it the long way because I don't like that crease in there like that, and I had never had that happen before. So I'm gonna go back to doing it the long way instead of it hanging off of the edge. If it works for you to do it hanging off the edge, do that, but for me, I didn't like it. As you guys can see, there's still a lot of ink that's left in there. So I'm gonna have to play with it some more to adjust the time and the temperature, and right there is where we saw that crease. So it did absolutely transfer. But there's a lot of ink still left in that paper. When this is done, oh my god, when it's done right, it's gonna be so vibrant and so pretty. But I'm gonna have to play with the time and the temperature some more. Excuse me. Another thing that I noticed was that the fan kind of folded a little bit. Like when I got ready to take the tape and stuff off, the fan itself had kind of lifted a little bit on the edges and the sides. I wish that you could see it better in the video. It looks flat now, but that's just something to be to pay attention to. So that's what we have, you guys. I am going to do some more testing, and then I will be back with the results. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. Bye.